guys, let's get those arms blocked in. So what we'll do here, it's got a bit of shoulder control here, man. Yeah, so let's move this forward a bit. Okay, let's bring this in. Also, let's curl these all the way, and the thumb curl. Yes, let's do that. Do it on this side too, curl. Thumb curl, bring it in. That's fine. It's intersecting a bit, but yeah, it doesn't. Let's keep it out. Bring it in like this. Okay. Let's bring this down. Like this, maybe narrower. Keep it a bit down as well. Bit up there. Okay, and then this one, we move the shoulder back. Let's get this in. Down, back. All right, looks good to me. Maybe as it go back a bit more. Let's see, is that a bit too much? Oh, I think that's all right. Okay, and what we'll do, we'll just key everything here, go to the end frame, key it, so both sides. This is going to happen because, excuse me, it's going to happen because we had the arms out and we keyed everything. So we just select all the controls, and then you just delete everything in between. There you see, and it's all constant. So now it will just go like that. And then what we'll do, so that's contact, and then contact. Yeah, and then here we're just flipping it. We're just going back. So we'll bring this back. Also, we'll bring this back. We'll bring this one forward. That's it. Just bring it back. So we're just bringing these up a bit. Okay. All right. And now what we'll do, we'll just key that. And then here, we'll just press block. So we just got those basic poses in. Oh, you can see there. These are blocked. Was it this? are these blocked? Okay. That's the shoulders moving. Let's have a look here. That's alright. Might be the IK. Let's have a look at the IK. Let's delete this middle bit. Maybe that's what it... Yeah, it was. Ooh, what's happening there? It's not right, is it? Let's check this. Yeah, that's better. And then you're going to refine this more. You can just come in here. You can be all right. Come here. As it's coming back. Halfway. Comes forward. And dragging. Comes forward. Maybe a little drag. Okay, so you've got more. Then what you can do, you need to block this. So if you block it, and obviously we'll work on that. This is just a little guide. Getting all these little things there. I don't know what these are, because go to here. Put a key there, missed the key there. There, so you're getting the arms going. And the other side, we still have to do that side, but you've got one side going. You don't have to block it in like this. You could, that's just one side I was showing you. The other side, what I'll do, I'll leave it how it is and we'll just spline it later. But that's just one way you can just block it in if you want. And then we'll probably adjust that anyway. But that's how you block the arms. And I'll see you in the next video.